It is so pretty.
So in a restaurant.
Yeah, walk.
Well, I'm not gonna see, because now look, I'm gonna try to walk straight.
Why go them if you're going to? Hey guys, can you believe it's the first time I actually leave my yard since the hurricane? Yes, I'm going out into the world.
And she drive my car.
Then go there pretty though.
Farmer kid there.
So
They
pretty.
look like food goat.
They're so pretty.
Look like Rami, don't
They're so cute. Let me show them. Oh yes, it's just again. Sometimes the mother going to. Guys, when you see the kids them, they're so cute. So all them like why you tear down to. Look on them. Oh my gosh. It's the cutest thing. Tisha could tell me say water did this. But she gonna make me step in the water. And ask them the whole of my Crocs. We need to reach somewhere
before 4 o'clock.
Before 4 o'clock. Hold on there.
Today I take our time.
Oh please. The only reason why me I run later because of the picnic. I never see somebody can take so long to get ready yet.
My
gosh. But I did this. I don't know why I did tell her say at 4 o'clock. Because at first I did tell her say at 3. I just know she take it ever. You hold on for her, we get them pop you off.
And you don't have to mark
yeah. I go see. Mop here.
Maybe.
Use your shirt and wipe off this. Oh, my shirt can't wipe it off. Guys, at 3:36 now. The picnic fault. May I pray to God say we get one vehicle. These are the fits. And my hairstyle. My ear now look mad today because I'm actually put gel in it and then do some edges. Guys, actually make it use hot, make it fish. Yeah. I drink on cool back of water. Don't worry about it. We have to sweat down in place. Don't worry about it. I don't want to go river tomorrow for sure. Me I go river tomorrow morning. Kind of.
Oh, you're going to reach.
I'm just walk come here and meet me.
So I'm not care for Jen. I'm not care for Jen come for you.
And they blue and walk. Ask them.
Yeah, see me?
And plus I need to wash my head.
I don't wash me. I go take off this off my head, guys. I wash me here.
I used to go to install with but that not going to work.
That not work since I didn't
so I just have to go and wrap my natural hair. And not even care how time I fuck say no light, no water. So I just have to work with this and okay. Like somebody that shine bucket of water for me. You see? Girl, you have one napkin? Your shellfish. Hey guys, so I leave Ochi. I couldn't read the vlog because the place was just congested with both traffic and people. We're now in Boscobel. We can drop off our mother laptop and our power bank. We get some charge. Then I have something else to do. Yeah, you guys are gonna see because that's gonna be a separate video. And yeah, it was some packages that we collected. Laptop?
Just plug it in.
Yeah. So these are two of the things. These are two solar power bank when we order online. So these are two of the things that are collected. Because guys, it don't look like so we are gonna get back electricity for now. When I did barely it took about 1 month to get back electricity, and this hurricane like so much worse. I'm not think we'll get back electricity for now. They may not buy them two solar power bank. We do one place named Margaret's Cliff. They look pretty, you see. And I say we can do one little sneak peek. And then we have to go back to Ochi. When time we don't do what we do. I finish? Do you think something my power bank there? You think they want to charge? You think we should plug in? It don't make sense, right? Where am I gonna come on one place? We have electricity and don't charge up my things and so yeah. That's it. Ready? Yes. Me, I gotta catch this selfie stick off of it. Right, Cassio? Sit here. Hello. Wait. Fish, help me. Where is the part? Oh, it's a U. Actually says USB. Najee, look.
It's not food.
Only thing though, probably just have I can't plug in a laptop because the Apple and then on the bottom.
You see?
And then we charge them. Yeah, want some?
You want me to put all the feet on?
But it look nice though, like look here. So you can charge your iPhone, Samsung devices. Yeah.
What that's for?
I don't know what this one for. Let's see there. What the brand? I don't remember, but what I'll do, I'll just link it in the description. What the
Where's the solar part?
It's just when you order and no, you're probably just taking and put it on the low feed charger.
No, but this one I have a solar part.
Like on if the panel itself.
Yeah,
You
the
see?
panel looking so.
Let me see. Girl, might make me switch it and I come buy this one for myself. Right? And then let me show them the
That's
other
why I
one.
put in the sun.
I'm gonna buy this one for somebody else.
Just can't plug in a laptop.
And it's a hand generator. But the one you look like it comes with a flashlight as well. The one you look like it, but I don't.
And you can charge in
In
the
the
laptop.
laptop?
Because you have the.
Yeah, you can actually plug in another Mac. Right. Should I switch them, guys? When you buy this for myself and that for somebody. Should I? I won't. Oh, there's a fly on the screen. Yeah, I won't. Is that show full?
Let me see. I'll do like.
Yeah, no, but I'll plug in it in.
Yeah,
Yes.
test it.
How you turn on that just now?
You see power button?
Why am I not? Leave me alone, I miss. I'm not seeing no power button on mine. Well, Tish, mine have 4 bar. I don't want to lift it, I don't want to over. Yeah, mine have 4 bar. I just want to make it stay, so. And you said that they have all 5, though?
All 4.
4? Yeah, plug it up back. They have 4 bar. May work with it like this. Turn off. taking off his own. Put it back in the bag. It come with a little strength. It's kind of heavy. But I'm not complaining. I'm not complaining. Just have something. So yeah. Both of them come with flashlight, realize? I'm never wrap up by mine. Girl, who got time for this? With my fat finger, then probably I'll post this. Here you go. Here you go. Take that. I take this and give you a princess. It's like that, guys. The pitney right side of me. They obsessed with Princess Diaries. Me don't know. She make me and my other sister childhood miserable. Like, can you believe? So every day when my mother forgot work, she'd have ball in the place and go, Nikki, me can't watch Genovian Princess. That time me and my other sister, I want to see her up on the vlog already. And I go back to when time I did there at Atlanta. Yeah, that time we want to watch other things, you know, and this I think there's a ball to watch the same thing over again. And then my mother would have like, I want to make you watch it. Oh my, me say she did disgusting, but she not stay so again. But boy, that thing I did. She did annoying, like she did live up to what one little sister supposed to be like. So annoying. And then because we never have anything else to do, we'd have to just sit down and watch it with her. Every Saturday, same thing. Run back to my mother and ball to watch it, and mother does. Because mother don't want to hear the cold balling, she just make tell to make she watch it. Well, I'm now. Alright, so we'll left the things. I'm the little sister who stay, so I'm here when they go through things like this. No, because I'm the best. Or get one little recorders. Oh my gosh, guys, look here. So I'm telling you, Morgan's Cliff Hotel. It's so beautiful. Look there. Ooh. And they have a restaurant. You can visit the restaurant at any time. It's always open. It is so pretty. Show me the restaurant. Restaurant. Oh, hi. Okay. Hi.
How are you?
I'm good.
Can you use the restaurant?
No, Nikki sent us up here if you charge her for stuff there.
Nikki said
Yo, you know her?
there's a fee for that.
You want to tell her? Tell her. I can't say it. Say it to my vlog.
Wait, you studied or something?
Yeah. In our office. Guys, we're Oregon. Go where we're supposed to go so we can record my video. And then we'll come back over here. Guys, oh my gosh, so pretty. Let me see you walk. Fish, do the walk. Let me see you walk.
So guys, you see one lady I walk today.
I'm not talk about nobody walking. Guys, I will not talk about anybody walk because we walk very bad. Girl come from this, so suppose I'm carry come and kill. Might need them have a very close relationship. I have one of the worst not needed. So Tish can talk, but not me. They say me on my other phone. I want to answer record me walking and girl it come like I saw me the dog go. I saw me looking at a video. I used to think I'm walking normal, you know. Cause nobody never used to point out anything to me. When I go to high school and people start to say to me, Najee, you need a knock up and blah blah blah. That's the time I realized. So I walk different from people. I But do you think I want normal for children? But you never used to say it to me. Yeah, say it to me, but I still go and I go through life. But I guess when I reach a high school, you know, high school people pity them still. And I got point out everything. Boy.
Hello, baby.
Boy. I am tired. You know, so I couldn't mother to save my life. Because I need them with that just go so. Let me say, that's what I need them. Guys, I'm sure now. That's what I need them with that go on the people in stage. I saw me look up at you when you let me see you walk.
You have to let me show them the face, but them see face already.
Yeah. Guys. Alright, that's someone I'm showing. Well, I'm not going to see, because I look, I'm going to try to walk straight. I'm not going to watch me walking on next time.
They must see it in the other video them.
Yeah?
They must see it in the other video them. I myself, sometimes me have video and you walk in front of me.
Yeah,
you might try walk normal.
Yeah. True, me know say people I look, I'm going to try to walk normal. Yeah. When next time I post a video, I walk up and down, when just catch me needing. And my other sister want knock up too. My grandfather want knock up. Nikki, I'm not me.
I
don't know. But I know my grandfather, oh, you see the little twist so I normally do it, I stand up in one place. My grandfather stand up like that too. So yeah. I don't know that pool though. You remember that pool when she tried to go for a float and just drop off and embarrass herself?
That's a lie.
Yeah.
That's a lie.
Shame herself.
Looking at video, go watch the video and see if you see me in that video.
Shame herself like how she shame herself a blue hole.
I never shame.
I say I can't wait till you have pitney and I show you pitney them that video there.
Yes, never feel for trying.
Let me pause this video, guys. Guys, change of plans. When I come up here for them, I can't do it again because the place dark, no electricity, just this. Well, look, solar light, yeah? But there's no light. We don't actually need light for it. So yeah, can't do what I gotta do. What I want to do, if I come back and do it tomorrow. Plus mosquito did I eat a while ago and the mosquito didn't even bite like regular mosquito. But this is not the end of the vlog still, because remember say I go back to Ochi. We're gonna go back for the place first where they leave the thing. Pause this because I can't see me anyways. We're rich. We're fine, so I need this.
Can you believe me?
Yeah, shut up, generator already. Good night. Oh, there's somebody in the office. Look how my ear pop up. You're trying to see my ear style.
If you have one bar left off the charge.
One bar left off the charge? You know, see now, all that plug in there, I can go and charge my phone. Can I travel with my charger? Alright. Alright.
Maybe not charge.
But the laptop not charge either.
Me ask you, if you come on.
You don't need to come on, because even though when you turn on, it not charge. You don't need to. Guys, we are back at Morgan's Cliff. So we have the electricity. Yeah, electricity. Really in the dark a while ago. You guys, even when we walk, we just walk and I walk with two. And I almost drowned.
She alone. You walk around the pencil.
And guys, you know what else happened to me yesterday? I lean up on the almond tree in my yard, right? Because you know, no one light and them see me place boring. So I eat on June plum, I lean up on the almond tree. I just look out and I just look out on the place. I end up just bite my tongue hot. Right now it cuts. You can't believe that. And I'm like, not talking to nobody, you know. If not talking, they'll go and I'm in my head. I never did that talk, guys. I end up just bite off a big piece. So I told me, I said like, why them things that ever have to reach me? But yeah, we do up here, so they make something then go and get some little more charge. I'm going to charge through right now. So because what I did intend to do, even though without charge of my laptop and the battery bank, when you have the power bank, I did say when I reach in my community, you have the, did you say where cell tower or something? I did always charge my phone there, so but like how my plans them not work out. I don't know, Melissa, I just keep on a mess with my plans, but yeah. Like my plans they not work out and they're over here, so I'm just charge my phone in the meantime. Makes sense, right? How do you feel for pizza or more? No, KFC more you feel for? You know want a pizza?
KFC line I got long.
Yeah, I know another line there with you.
You know when I got it, listen. We eat the pizza.
Yeah, mother. She probably, well, like how she did ask her to take out water, I can't remember she could. But she be
Maybe
valid.
she asked her like.
That too. Come for this other super supreme. The chicken, I call me Mona, but girl, I eat fried chicken yesterday.
When?
You local box food. Or the chicken.
Box food chicken?
Yeah, still fried chicken, guys.
Different type of chicken.
Still fried chicken.
That's a different type of chicken. That's not Kentucky chicken.
Still fried chicken.
And a kernel fried one day. Kernel chicken, a top tier chicken.
True. So where would I buy a pizza out?
My box.
More else, please. So you want to call and order now? I didn't make up your mind. You want to go down and watch it and see it go on? You don't want to go to KFC? So then you know when we call and order a pizza now.
Today Thursday, today weekend.
Look on the laptop while go on. Or you still at charge? Today Thursday. So you want to order the pizza? Or you want to take a transfer in KFC? You want to take a chance on KFC? So make me order pizza then no?
No, I do.
What me say? If we go early, probably alright.
We're gonna look up here when I go to the other.
Yes, gotta do something. I'll make sure you're early tomorrow enough, I swear. Just make sure you're on time.
I'm going to just take a shirt for I see it
Just make sure you're on time. 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock. So guys, make a call and order some more pizza out. But not like say I read the pizza, my sister wants she did think about KFC chicken, she never get that they got the place pack up and she know. So stop thinking about KFC chicken. Guja, gua.
I eat the KFC
Feel for pizza now.
Last time I eat KFC and the Sunday before Stam. My friend that everybody else take KFC but then said you can't get me again.
Alright, so tomorrow we go to KFC early. Today we need pizza and drink a nice cold fruit juice. Hey, that is cold juice, cold water, anything cold right now is a privilege for you. Gosh. Feel like a mosquito in my left nostril. That irritate me. So yeah, I pause the video and call pizza out. Guys, can you guess where we are? Tish, where are we? We're in Pizza Hut. Whenever I bother order it online. So just cash. In here no pack at all. So I'm gonna think this answer. I ordered a medium supreme. Somebody stood me and just look up like, why is this girl talking to herself or talking to her camera? But they have on the headphones. Tish ordered my box. That's what I'm buying already. I'm buying that already. We'll check the machine. Yeah, we're gonna check the machine because a while ago we didn't have to use the cash because the current machine now work. So we're gonna check the machine for the class and see if we can get some more cash. You see, not in time, guys. You can have cash in a mix. Yeah, that's a Jamaica right now. Well, down at the side, we don't know about Kingston side. I mean, I don't know how to use for scans again, so I'm going to my machine. That one not going to get the door. Eh? Hold on. Girl. Make sure you come in and bolt up in here. Bolt it up. Okay, so my hand ready, guys. I should have carry the bag up here, son. But just easy to mark up. Back to Pizza Hut we go. Yes, guys, because I'm hungry. A KFC, she didn't want to then. She can't. KFC. Hey, Lorraine. But she just have to eat till she gets. So the moment you guys have all been waiting for. Ta-da! Let us ignore her. Girl, when my gamma yard.
Want to be in home, bro.
Eh? Take it. Backside. Then I take my hungry too. Sure. Now I have to lock it up. And now we leave. We go to our yard. Coming back on the road. Yeah. Share road again. Now come here. Back to the darkness. Yeah. Thank you. Alright, so I have too much things. I'm gonna can't talk. I will listen longer. Bye bye.
Call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a hard to see. just make you cry. And I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I promise now's not the right time. And I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. Look away so you won't see, 'cause the pain is in my eyes.